try, the song should be much too wise. Strategy was a strength and not disaster.
Welcome to more electric uke lessons. We're still at mixed jam level, so I'm only showing the clip and isolated track. If you're a beginner and would prefer I go slower, you might start with the earlier videos. For gear, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke, also called a Vorsen, with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and zoom. Next up is the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. I think I'll stop, or at least pause for now, at episode 200. That seems like a nice, even, arbitrary number. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I don't make a penny from them, but it's good to give back something, and I admit that I'm, hopefully, also improving via playing these songs. So until I return, tune your uke and let's play.
Yeah.